I'm going to show you how to do 851 divided by 23 using chunking. So what I'm going to do is try and make 851 out of 23s. I'm going to start by using 10 lots of 23, which is 230. So I've got my first chunk, 230, but that's nothing like 851, it's not enough. So I'm now going to try 20 times 23, which is 460. I get that by doubling 10, so it's nice and easy. That's still not enough, so I'm going to try 30 times 23. Now that I could work out from scratch, but easily. I've got 10 and 20 here, so I'll just add them up. So I get 690. Now 690 is quite close. I can't add on another 10 lots of 23 because I'll go over the top. So I've used 30 lots of 23 so far. Now I'm going to add on another amount, not 10, but for sake of argument, I'll put 5 23s because I can work that easily. I've got 10 is 230, so 5 23s is half of that, it's 115. Now, 5 has been added on, so altogether, if I add these two up, I've got 805. So far, I've got 35 23s, make 805, so I'm getting very close. Now, I've got to get all the way to 851. How much more do I need to add on to get from 805 to 851? Well, I could try adding 23. That's one lot of 23. I'll write that here just so as you know what I'm doing. One lot of 23 on. What's that give me? 828. I can still take one more, 23, which I can write here so you know. That's here. And that ends up being, that's 11, that's 5, and that's 8. And look, that's 851. So, altogether I've used 30 and 5, 35, 36, 37, 37 lots of 23 to make 851. So 851 divided by 23 is 37. I'm going to show you how to do 638 divided by 21 using chunking. This one we've chosen specifically because it's got a remainder, so you'll have some leftovers at the end. I'm not going to just add up a whole load of 21s, 21, 21, 21, because I'll be here all night. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with 10 times 21, which is quite a big chunk of it to start with, so that's 210. Now I know I can do 20 times 21, that's 420. What will happen if I do 30 times? Let's have a look. 30 times 21. Well, I can get that easily by adding these two together. 630. Well, that's pretty much what we're aiming for. 630 is what we've got so far. We're aiming for 638. So I can't get any more 21s into that at all. So what I've actually got is 30 and some leftovers. So I'll write it over here so you can understand. I've got 638 divided by 21. It's 30, but the leftovers are the amount I need to make my target 630 into 638. There are 8 left over, and my denominator is the number I divided by, which is 21. So it's 30 and 8 21ths.